How to find string length in Python. Let us take a string value in variable x, say hello world. To find the length of the string in x, we shall use len built-in function. Len function takes an object as argument and returns an integer value representing the number of items in the given object. Call len function and pass the string x as argument. Since we have given a string object, len function returns the number of characters in the string. Let us store the returned value in a variable, say x_length, and print the length to the output using print built-in function. Run the program. The output is 11 because there are 11 characters in the given string hello world. Let us try for another string value, say apple, and run the program again. The output is 5 because there are 5 characters in the given string apple. In summary, we have used len built-in function to find the length of a given Python string. Thank you for watching Python courses by Coder Being.